Hey everyone, it's Mike McCara here with RealOffice, and this is the second video in our series on to-dos. So in this video, we are going to talk about how you build or change or edit your own custom to-do list. So the first thing I'm going to go over is that each stage has its own set of custom to-do lists. So we've got our lead to-do lists, we've got our prospect ones, we've got our active ones, conditional, and closed. And for each stage, you've also got a list for your buyers and for your sellers. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the active stage, and we're going to see how we could customize our default list. So you just click on the gear, and you'll see that it's active settings, my to-dos for buyers. So obviously, if you have a buyer, really the only thing you're doing with active buyers is showings. If I click on this, I can go to sellers. And you'll see that I've got a series of things in this list. So input the listing on MLS, set up staging, take property measurements, etc., etc. Input local listing on newspaper, lockbox, all these good things. So let's say, for example, the order was incorrect. You can come in here and you can say, well, I don't input the MLS first. I have to do the staging. So you can click on that and you just drag it down. So you can see that take photos, set up, property measurements. Oh, there's the MLS. So you just can click and drag by going on that. Now let's say you don't take property measurements, you get them professionally done. So you can actually just click edit, and you could write in that the to-do is not take, but get property measured. Go like that, and you can update the list. You'll see that you've got these undos down here, which sit there for a little bit of time in case you mess up. Now you can outright add a new item. So let's say we have a new item for our sellers. That could be send out community open house flyer. Just click check on that, and you'll see that that's right at the top. If you don't want it at the top, you can again click and drag that down throughout the different items on the task list. So for example, lockbox, you've got all that good stuff. So with that, you can customize your lists to just go out. Everything you do in here is saved by default, so you just simply click X. Now anytime I add someone to active, so let's look for a seller. We've got Mike Crowder. So if I tag him over to active, you'll see that as soon as I do that, I've got my do activity, which is the previous interview there. But if I go to my to-dos, there it is. I've got my to-dos for the actives. Now, if I didn't have a task scheduled for Mike, it would automatically be telling me what to do. For example, over here with Rachel, just to do, ask for a referral. So you can see very quickly, you can set up your own customized lists that very quickly sort of at a glance tell you what you should be doing with your clients at any given time.